Production of sound. We hear a variety of sounds around us, like the sound of an alarm clock, the chirping of birds, ringing of a bell, sound of musical instruments, etc. Have you ever wondered how sounds are produced? Now, let us understand how sounds are produced. Sound is a form of energy that causes the sensation of hearing. Sound is produced by vibrations in strings, in membrane, or any other object. Sound is a vibration that can be heard. Sound can be produced from almost all the objects around us. The vibration of a body producing sound may not always be clearly visible to the human eye. Activity to see how sound is produced and how do we hear it. Sound is produced by objects like ringing of a bell, vibration of drum membrane causes sound, plucking of strings, vibration of the speaker. Activity to show how vibration produces sound. Place your hand on a speaker. You will feel the vibration. Place some rice on a drum. You will observe jumping of rice grains due to the vibration in the drum membrane. While speaking, try to touch your throat. You will feel the vibrations. Sound produced by human. In humans, sound is produced by the voice box or the larynx, which is present in the upper portion of the windpipe of the throat. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the air is forced by the lungs through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. How do we hear? We hear sound with our ears. The eardrum has a vibrating membrane like a stretched rubber sheet. When a sound note reaches the eardrum vibrates, and the vibrations get converted into electrical impulses that are carried to the brain via the auditory nerve. This gives the sensation of hearing. Production of sound in musical instruments. To produce pleasant sounds, a number of musical instruments have been developed. Musical instruments produce sound due to the vibration of stretched skin or membranes. Example of instruments where sound is produced by vibration of membrane are tabla, cymbals, ghatam, kartal, and manjira. Example of instruments where sound is produced by vibration of strings is sitar, veena, violin, guitar, and iktara. Example of instruments where sound is produced by vibration of an air column is flute and the trumpet.